Burkina Faso rises, a nation rebuilds with global and local power. Good morning, global viewers, and welcome to a story of resilience, solidarity, and a nation taking charge of its future. Today, Parakeet Media is shining a spotlight on Burkina Faso, a country demonstrating incredible determination in the face of challenges, proving that when communities unite, anything is possible. We're seeing powerful examples of international partnership alongside inspiring grassroots efforts, all converging to pave the way for a brighter tomorrow. It's a testament to the belief in Burkina Faso's potential and a clear signal that progress is not just a hope, but a burgeoning reality. The world is watching, and what we're witnessing is truly inspiring. Moroccan giant steps up for Burkina Faso's future. In a significant show of support, Moroccan cement factory, SEMAF, has made a monumental contribution to Burkina Faso's reconstruction efforts. SEMAF has generously donated 1,000 tons of cement and 100 million in financial aid. This substantial investment is earmarked for vital infrastructure projects, specifically the construction of roads and schools. This incredible gesture from Morocco underscores a deep belief in Burkina Faso's development trajectory, providing essential resources that will directly impact the lives of countless citizens by improving connectivity and access to education. It's a powerful demonstration of how international partnerships can fuel tangible progress and lay the groundwork for a prosperous future. Ouagadougou youths ignite change in Bobo-Dioulasso. But the story of Burkina Faso's resurgence isn't just about big international players, it's also about the incredible spirit of its own people. In an inspiring display of civic action, the spontaneous initiative, Action Civilo-Militaires pour la Cohésion Sociale, A.cm.c.s, comprised of dedicated youths from Ouagadougou, journeyed to Bobo-Dioulasso to lend a direct hand in reconstruction. On Wednesday, July 23, 2025, these remarkable young people made their second significant donation to the headquarters of the presidential initiative Faso Mebo. Their contribution included 20 wheelbarrows, 100 shovels, 100 gloves, and 1 ton of cement. This isn't just a donation of materials, it's a donation of sweat, effort, and a shared vision for a stronger Burkina Faso. A group of 75 members embarked on this mission, traveling from Ouagadougou on Tuesday, July 22, 2025, to arrive in Bobo-Dioulasso that evening. The very next day, they were at the Faso Mebo headquarters, not just making their donation, but actively supporting the revolutionary dynamic, particularly through the Revolutionary Progress and Popular (RPP) initiative. Their hands-on involvement highlights a powerful sense of community ownership and a determination to contribute directly to their nation's growth. What we're witnessing in Burkina Faso is a powerful blend of top-down and bottom-up initiatives. From significant international aid to the tireless efforts of its own citizens, there's a collective drive to rebuild and advance. This collaborative spirit is the true engine of progress, demonstrating that development is not just about resources, but about the human will to create a better future. What are your thoughts on these inspiring efforts in Burkina Faso? Do you believe these types of partnerships and grassroots initiatives are key to national development? Share your insights in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on more stories of hope and progress from around the world, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single update. Together, we can shine a light on the incredible stories shaping our world.